Namaskar Mandali. It won't be an exaggeration to say that we are all foodies. In this spirit, let us treat ourselves to a brief insight into the rich traditions within Maharashtrian cuisine. चला तर मग. वदनी कवळ घेता नाम घ्या श्री हरीचे, सहज हवन होते नाम घेता पुकाचे, जीवन करी जीवित्वा अन्न हे पूर्ण ब्रह्म, उदरभरण नो हे जाणीजे यज्ञ कर्म. Samarth Ramdas, the 17th century saint poet of Maharashtra and contemporary of Shivaji Maharaj, advises us the importance of food as being the offering to the Jataragni, the fire element in our body, which in turn provides us vital energy. Food is life, so whatever we eat should be nutritious. Traditional food of any region has the correct balance of all the components necessary for nutrition proper to that particular climate. Maharashtrian cuisine provides this balance completely and in a wholesome manner throughout the various food items prepared in various regions of the state. Maharashtra is traditionally divided into Konkan, Paschim Maharashtra, Khandesh, Marathwada and Vidarbha. Food traditions vary as per the climatic conditions and the various communities settled in the region. Konkan. The long coastline and moderate climate of Konkan makes rice and fish the staple diet of the Agris, the Kolis, the CKPs, the GSBs, the East Indians, the Pathare Prabhus, the Kunbis, etc. Mashache kalvan or the marination and gravy for any fish preparation is a speciality. Fried paplet and prawns, ghashi, ginger and onion tambdi, सोल कढी, कोळंबीचा भात और प्रॉन राईस, मुरडुशी और लेडी फिशची आमटी आणि भात, कोळंबीची सटसटी, तिवळ चटणी भरलेला फ्राई पापलेट, तिसऱ्या सुक्के, कोळंबीचं लोणचं और प्रॉन पिकल are just a few dishes of coastal food. The Brahmins too have a wide range of food made from locally grown fruits and vegetables. The most popular delicacies being ukdीचे मोदक, undil kheer made by stuffing coconut and jaggery filling in cooked rice powder dumplings, फणसाचे आणि आंब्याचे सांदण, steamed riced pancakes made by adding jackfruit and mango pulp, पातोळ्या, तांदळाचे घावन and appe. As we climb the hills and reach the Deccan Plateau, the food culture changes to that of Paschim Maharashtra region. Use of dried spices called masalas becomes more frequent in daily cuisine. The Goda masala and Kanda Lasun masala are the special spice mixes of this region. The popular dishes of this region are the अस्सल मराठा कोल्हापुरी पांढरा आणि तांबडा रस्सा, मटणाचं लोणचं, हांडी पापड आणि कांद्याचे सांडगे, कोल्हापुरी मिसळ विथ तरी, भरली मिरची, धपाटे, भाजणीचे थालीपीठ and कोथिंबीर वडी are equally famous food items of this region. The Marathwada, Khandesh and Vidarbha regions are semi-arid regions of Maharashtra. So, food preparations include use of pulses and millets. In the dry months when vegetables become a rarity, besan pola, kadhi gole, phunke, भरीत भाकरी, झिरकं, डाळ कांदा, पिठलं भाकरी, सांडगे आमटी, वांगी सांडगे भाजी are made. So is sambar vadi made by coriander leaves which is abundance during the winter months. Children enjoy their summer vacations in helping their moms making papad, kurdai, dhapode and sandge. A feast of amras kurdai accompanied with patvadi and khaskhas bhaji in summers is a regular feature in Vidarbha homes. Maharashtra is known for its wide range of fasting food. Sabudanachi khichdi is the most favored amongst everyone. Yet, sabudana vada and ratalacha kis, they are popular dishes too, made especially on Ekadashi and other fasting days. Festival food forms an important aspect of Maharashtrian cuisine. Making a platter of homemade faral or snacks during Diwali is a tradition that has been continuing since ages. बेसन लाडू, भाजणीची चकली, शंकरपाळी, पोह्यांचा चिवडा, अनारसे, भाकरवडी, करंजी as well as kanole are few of the Diwali delicacies. Making ornaments out of gram flour and offering them to the goddess during Navratri is practiced in many homes even today. Kojagiri or Bhulabai is celebrated by consuming milk, which is kept on the roof of the house just so it is blessed by the rays of the full moon during Sharad Rutu. Girls bring various delicacies called khirapat with them and sing songs during the night. Maharashtra is a state that connects the north with the south of India. So, the food culture is a perfect balance of ingredients used in northern as well as southern cuisines. Breads like roti and bhakri along with rice are all part of the daily meal. The use of either tamarind or amsul and jaggery in dals or amti, making it khatta as well as meetha at the same time, reflects a certain lookout on life. On the one hand, Maharashtrian food can be extremely simple with varan bhat and dollops of ghee, bhaji, pori, amti and koshimbir served regularly on the thali. It can also be equally complex when it comes to the huge variety of tastes, spices and masalas utilized across the various regions. The traditional conclusion of a meal is with the Trayodashaguni Vida. The mighty betel leaf is the team leader and is accompanied with other member ingredients such as kat, zaifal, ova, supari, veldoda, lavang, badishep, khobra, jeshthamad, kapur, chuna, keshar and nagvel leaf along with valued additions such as gulkanda and thandai. A burp of contentment and satiatedness is an indication to a perfect meal. May Annapurna Devi bless us. May our kitchens be filled with food forever. Viva la Maharashtrian cuisine!